Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set iPhone ringtone on your Android phone. So your phone sounds just like an iPhone when it rings. Let's get started. First, you need the iPhone ringtone file. You can easily find it by online searching iPhone Mariba ringtone MP3 download on Google. Once you find it, download the file to your Android phone, the classic Mariba tone. After downloading, open the file manager. Then go to download and find the ringtone file. Now move or copy it to the ringtones folder on your device. This helps your phone detect it as an actual ringtone option. After that, go to settings. Scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Then tap the phone ringtone. Here you will see a list of available tunes. Select the iPhone ringtone you just added. It might show up as Mariba ringtone. Once selected, tap Save for Apply. Now just call your phone and check. Now you will hear that familiar ringtone on your Android. And that's it. You have successfully set the iPhone ringtone on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Android tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.